Right, let's shift focus to the defense pack. Let's pull up the Nifty defense and the counter as well. There you go. All counters in the green, led by Cochin Shipyard up 11%, Garden Reach up 11%, Mazagon up 8%, Unimac also up 7%, Paras Defense up 7%. So clearly, the counters in the entire defense pack are outliers in trade today. Now, Jefferies highlights strong Q4 FY25 performance for Indian defense firms fueled by indigenization and global demand. Anushi joins us with more details on that. Anushi?
As you've mentioned, we've seen about a 19% of an up move in the defense sector alone, and this is also a lot of sentimental moves that we are seeing after the Operation Sindoor, how the domestic companies in the defense space are now stepping up the indigenization focus and procuring more equipment needed for the defense needs of the India. But interesting note coming in from Jefferies. Now they have talked about this defense indigenization focus, and they've compared and given a scenario from how FY14 onwards to FY24 on FY25 onwards, we've seen a big shift coming in here with most of these defense companies' revenue seeing an increase in the double digits. In fact, we are looking at even the recent India-Pakistan tensions did see that PM Modi has lauded Made in India equipment, which points to further domestic manufacturing focus. Even in the 2020, the earlier updates that have come out, government has increased their budget allocations over the last 10 years. We've also seen how the focus has been on increased FDIs also for this sector. So there have been a lot of moves from the government side as well. So India focus to building up its global image on defense continues over here. But even on the micro side of the things, in terms of how the earnings have shaped up, most of the Q4 earnings that we have seen results so far have been strong so far. Even if you look at HAL, the expectation was for a higher downtick because of the execution delays that were there, but it was a better than expected growth that we've seen in the revenue. The balance sheet of some of these companies have been improving, so that is on a watch out for. Global defense thematic adds to the upside from order book visibility of these domestic companies is what Jefferies has to say. HAL, Data Patterns being their top picks over here, followed by Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics having a crucial role in the Operation Sindoor that we are looking at. The note believes that HAL, Data Patterns and BEL could see further order book backed by double-digit EPS CAGR growth in the medium term, along with healthy ROE and ROC ratios going forward. So it's a mix of both the macro stand of view on how the government stand of point, how Indian defense companies need to spend up, and also on the micro side, how the earnings are faring better than expected.